Running a community group shouldn't require a full-time office staff. But when you're handling grants, volunteers, newsletters, events, and meeting notes after your regular job, it can certainly feel that way. Claude AI can help take that paperwork off your plate. And you don't need technical skills or a large budget to start using it. Whether you help run a neighborhood association, local food pantry, youth sports league, church ministry, veterans group, or another volunteer organization, these workflows can save you hours. Let's start with grant applications. This is where many small organizations get stuck. You find a grant that could help your mission, open the application, see several pages of questions, and immediately feel overwhelmed. Instead of starting from a blank page, copy the grant guidelines into Claude. Then use this prompt: I'm applying for this grant on behalf of a community organization. Review the guidelines, identify what the funder is looking for, and help me create a first draft. Ask me for any facts, numbers, or examples you still need. That last sentence matters. You don't want Claude inventing information about your organization. You want it to identify what's missing so you can provide the real details. Claude can organize your response, match it to the application requirements, and help make your organization's work easier to understand. You still need to verify every fact, add your actual numbers, and review the final application. But the blank page problem is gone. Next, let's tackle volunteer coordination. Imagine you have a spreadsheet containing names, available days, preferred jobs, and contact information. After removing any unnecessary sensitive information, you can give that list to Claude and ask, create a volunteer schedule that covers every shift, respects each person's availability, and identifies any shifts that are still understaffed. Claude can turn a messy list into an organized starting point. It can also draft reminder messages for volunteers who haven't confirmed. For example, write a friendly reminder asking volunteers to confirm their Saturday shifts by Thursday evening. Now, you're not rewriting the same message over and over. Next is the community newsletter. Most organizations have plenty to talk about. The problem is finding time to turn scattered updates into something people will actually read. Give Claude your rough notes. The food drive collected 800 pounds of food. The next volunteer day is August 12th. The group needs 3 more drivers. A local business donated supplies. Then ask Claude to create a short newsletter. You can even request separate versions. One can be warm and conversational for members. Another can be more formal for donors or community partners. You choose the version that sounds most like your organization, edit it, and send it. Here's another major time saver: meeting minutes. After a meeting, give Claude your rough notes or a transcript you have permission to use. Then say, turn these notes into organized meeting minutes. Include decisions, action items, assigned owners, and deadlines. Do not add information that isn't in my notes. That final instruction helps keep the minutes grounded in what actually happened. Something that once took an hour could become a quick review and correction. Claude can also help with event checklists, fundraising letters, social media announcements, volunteer guides, and frequently asked questions. But here's the important part. Claude doesn't replace the people, relationships, or judgment behind your mission. It handles the first drafts and repetitive organization, so your volunteers can spend more time helping the community. Start with one task. Use it for your next newsletter, volunteer reminder, or meeting summary. Once you see how much time that saves, try the next workflow. What type of community organization do you help? Tell me in the comments, along with the task that takes up most of your time. Subscribe for more practical Claude AI workflows that everyday people can actually use. I'm George, and I'll see you in the next one.